Hello students, we all learned the binomial distribution, some examples on binomial distribution. Now next article is Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is also a theoretical distribution, theoretical discrete distribution. Now we see Poisson distribution, what is its definition and examples. Now examples of Poisson distribution means suppose the number of road accidents in a year. So this is one example of Poisson distribution. Or number of suicides in particular month, or number of aircrafts in month or in year, number of deaths by snake bite, or number of car passing through some particular distance in some hour, 1 hour or 2 hour. These are some examples of Poisson distribution. Now we see the definition. A random variable capital X is said to have a Poisson distribution is said to have a Poisson distribution if its probability mass function is given by that is probability of x is equal to x, or probability of x is equal to lambda. In that case, in Poisson distribution, parameter is lambda is equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x upon factorial x, where x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity, and here lambda is greater than 0 and is equal to 0 otherwise. So in this way, Poisson distribution is defined. Probability of capital X is equal to x, or probability of x is equal to x. Here random variable x is said to have a Poisson distribution. You remember that x assumes the non-negative values. A random variable x which assumes non-negative values only, non-negative values, is said to have a Poisson distribution if its probability mass function is given by e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to x upon factorial x, when x takes the values 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here lambda is a parameter. If random variable x is said to have a Poisson distribution, then its notation is this. P of lambda. Now what is sum of this? Sum of P of x. Here summation of P of x, or probability of x is equal to x. X is going from 0 to infinity, is equal to summation of e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x upon factorial x. X is going from 0 to infinity. So e raised to lambda outside the summation sign, e raised to minus lambda into summation of lambda raised to x upon factorial x. X is going from 0 to infinity. X is equal to 0, lambda raised to 0 means 1, first term 1. So this is the expansion of x is equal to 1, lambda raised to 1 upon 1. X is equal to 2, lambda square upon 2. So e raised to minus lambda and into e raised to lambda. So that is the expansion of e raised to lambda. So e raised to minus lambda into e raised to lambda means e raised to minus lambda plus lambda means e raised to 0. E raised to 0 means 1. Therefore, sum of all probability is equal to 1. P of x, summation of P of x is equal to 1. So this is the Poisson distribution or probability mass function of Poisson distribution. Now we see Poisson distribution is the limiting case of binomial distribution under some conditions. Theorem: Poisson distribution is limiting case of binomial distribution. Solution or proof of this. Now you know the binomial distribution, probability of mass function of the binomial distribution, and if you take the limit of that under some condition, then we get the Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is limiting form, limiting case of binomial distribution under the following condition. So what are their conditions? Number one, n. What is n? N is the number of trials. Number of trials are very large. N tends to infinity. Number two, P. The constant probability of success is very small. That is, P tends to 0. Number of trials are very large. That is, N tends to infinity. And the number of or the constant probability, the success, constant probability success is very slow. That is, P tends to 0. And number third, product of N into P is finite. Some lambda. N into P is equal to lambda. Now from this, N into P, what is N into P is equal to lambda? N is equal to lambda upon N, or P is equal to lambda upon N. P is equal to lambda upon N, or N is equal to lambda upon P. What may be? Or P is equal to lambda upon N. You take any. Or P is equal to 1 minus Q, lambda upon 1 minus Q. You write that. So, Poisson distribution is the limiting case under these three conditions. The binomial distribution is, but the binomial distribution is, so you know its notation, capital B or small b. So in binomial distribution, N and P are parameters. B of x and P is equal to capital X takes the value small x, means x1, x2, x3 up to the so on. So B x and P is equal to NCX P raised to x Q raised to N minus x. X takes the values, or x is going from 0 to infinity. Or this can be written as NCX P raised to x Q. What is Q? Q means 1 minus p. 1 minus p. Q means 1 minus p raised to n minus x. Again this can be written as ncx p. So what is p? P is lambda upon n. Lambda upon n raised to x into 1 minus p. Again 1 minus p. 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n minus x. That is 1 minus lambda upon raised to n into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to minus x. And this can be written as lambda raised to x upon n raised to x. So lambda raised to x. So is equal to ncx lambda raised to x upon n raised to x into 1 minus lambda upon n 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to minus x. Means 1 upon 1 minus lambda upon n raised to x. So is equal to ncx lambda upon 1 minus lambda upon n raised to x. This is the lambda raised to x and this is 1 minus lambda upon x raised to x into, so here n raised to x is here, lambda raised to x, n raised to x into n raised to x into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n. So you know the ncx, ncr factorial n upon n minus r factorial into r factorial, instead of r here x. So is equal to, that is left is binomial distribution having parameter np is equal to ncr means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to the n minus x plus 1 upon factorial x. That is, last is terms are cancelled. So into lambda raised to x upon n raised to x into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to x into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n. Now here you observe, you take n common. So this can be written as n common here, n common here, n into 1 minus 1 upon n. Here again n into 1 minus 2 upon n up to the n common into 1 minus x minus 1 minus minus plus upon n into lambda raised to x into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n upon n raised to x into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to x. So here n, x times n, therefore n raised to x cancel. So n and n raised to x cancel. Therefore 1 minus 1 upon n into 1 minus 2 upon n up to the 1 minus x minus 1 upon n into lambda raised to x into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n upon n raised to x cancel. 1 minus lambda upon n raised to x. So what is this? This is the binomial distribution NP. Now our aim is to prove that binomial distribution is the limiting, Poisson distribution is the limiting case. So we have binomial distribution. You take the limit on both sides, we get limit of b of x and p as n tends to infinity is equal to limit of as n tends to infinity of 1 minus 1 upon n into 1 minus 2 upon n up to the 1 minus x minus 1 upon n lambda raised to x into 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n upon 1 minus lambda upon n raised to x. So you know that limit of 1 upon n as n tends to infinity is 0. Therefore 2 upon n 0. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 means 1 into 1 means 1 raised to n means this is the 1. And lambda raised to x. So you are taking the limit as n tends to infinity. So is equal to lambda raised to x into limit of 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n as limit as n tends to infinity upon limit as n tends to infinity of 1 minus lambda upon n raised to x is equal to lambda raised to x 1 minus lambda upon n raised to n. So as n tends to infinity, its limit is e raised to minus lambda. N tends to infinity, e raised to minus lambda. So what may be here factorial x. So please check n raised to x cancel. Factorial x, I forgotten here factorial x. So you write factorial x here, factorial x here, again factorial x here, factorial x here. So you proceed this. So is equal to lambda raised to x, e raised to minus lambda, and limit as n tends to infinity of 1 minus lambda upon n raised to x is 1. Here plus or minus, then its limit as n tends to infinity is 1. So upon factorial x into 1. So what is this? Is equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x upon factorial x. Here x take the values from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity. And left side is the binomial distribution and its limit. So we say that Poisson distribution is the limiting case of the binomial distribution n tends to infinity. So in this way you prove that Poisson distribution is the limiting form of binomial distribution. So next lecture we see some examples. We stop here. Thank you.